again. Welcome to part 2. I'm back. This is Priscilla Batzell in Springville, Florida at Expression Studio Gallery in the backyard, hoping to avoid the rain, but not sure that that's going to be the way it works. The sky's darkening, but I don't hear any thunder yet, so I got my fingers crossed that we may get out of this without a problem. So I've been playing with ribbons from scoops and ribbons from shovels and enjoying the heck out of just playing with all kinds of colors and all kinds of tools, and I'm going to continue to do so. If I have my way. And I'm going to keep dipping my skewer into my colors. Give myself the opportunity to make some neat little dots, because I'm a big fan of dots. I'm a big fan of little dots. I'm a big fan of dots, period. They just, they're like adding jewels. And I'm loving my dots. So I'm going to let myself be dotty. More dotty than ever before? I don't know. That might not be possible. I've been pretty dotty. Really what I want is some more pink. I have beautiful little tiny cells over there. My edges are mostly covered from the paint I allowed to fall down over. It's a good thing to check on that once in a while, because the less expensive value packs of canvases at Michael's will recede up from the bottom. So good to check once in a while. Make sure things are copacetic, where they should be. I got some great paint over there on my tile, and I'm going to put it right on my edges, because I hate wasting paint, and because there's some really pretty patterns in there, and I think it's a good use of it. Very good use of it. So I'm liking what I'm seeing, but I don't know. Whoops. Okay. I guess I got some more pink when I didn't expect it, but that's okay, because I really wanted some more pink. I think I'm also going to have to clean off the end of that skewer, because it's got a big blob on it. But the blob is working like the bristles on a paintbrush. It's spreading paint nicely. And I like the big size of those circles. I'm just not sure that there isn't something in there that's creating texture I don't really want. But I'm loving those. Ow. Made the most of that paint. I did and I didn't, because I see those are not quite complete. I never do that with black. I wonder why not. I've got some black. Well, now it's got other colors in it, but never mind. It might even be Prussian blue, and I can't tell the difference right now. Alright, all that's kind of fun. I think it's time to bite the bullet. Maybe. Maybe not. It was kind of weird, because I spilled all that paint to begin with over on my edges, and I keep looking at it, and it's so pretty. I wish I could show you. Maybe you can see that. I don't know. Anyway, so what color do I really want in this corner? I think that I want some more purple, to be sure. And I like the green, but I think in order to get what I want, I'm going to have to add it to the pan. And then I'm going to have to scoop from the side and hope for the best. I'm going right out. Let's see what happens there. Now I was tipping, and I do have a little card that I was using as an edge catcher. Edge catchers are just anything, they can even be cardboard. Anything that stops the paint from flowing over the edge. At least that's the way I see it. You've got to have kind of a handle on the other side, held it from underneath. There's some really pretty patterns in there, and I'm going to rock that piece of plastic a little bit and send that paint right back up over the side and cover the side at the same time. I'm going to bring that painted spot right over to the other side. I'm going to let everything fall right down in the other direction until it hits the edge catcher and pools. I'm going to let it run down the edge. I'm going to rock that piece of plastic again. I'm also going to drag it as I squeeze it a little bit down the edge so I cover even more of the edge, because I'm not minding how that looks. And if I wanted to, I could take my spatula and scrape it right off that edge catcher and use it, but it was my thumb this time. So never mind that. I'm not minding that little piece of negative space in the corner. We'll see if it stays or not. I can also use my bamboo skewer to just dip into interesting looking paint and pick it right up and put it right down again. And I got some beautiful color shift blue in there. I see that. I don't know where I'm going to be the most comfortable stopping, but I think because I like that purple, kind of getting the hang a little bit once in a while, giving myself the impression maybe I know what I'm doing occasionally. Not sure that's true. Confidence is pretty helpful though, because no matter what you do, you can always fix it. At least I think that myself. So I'm going to use my skewer again and dip right in. I'm also going to use it to dip right over, to roll it over onto the edge to cover below. You can't see that, but it works like a charm, so you get the continuity of the design. And then all I have to do is decide if there's going to be dots. Probably be good to notice if I was tipping canvas paintings and rolling paint. My white paint is drying up very quickly. Oops. And I'm loving that I'm still getting little dots and dabs out of that pink, because I love this pink. It's got metallic in it, including that bubble. I love you, bubble. Goodbye. Thank you. And as long as the paint is wet, we might be able to still release some cells. I'm just going to take that bamboo skewer, put it right into that scoop, take some of the paint that's in there, I love using my bamboo skewer as a tool. I just can't stand not doing it. That's fun. I'm having fun. I needed fun, and fun is what I'm getting. Getting all kinds of spirally fun. And in a minute, I might get some dotty fun. We'll see. The wind is coming up. I'm not sure what's coming my way by any stretch. But I'm hanging in here. I just want more of that pink. Wish I could get that beautiful paint right out of that little scoop. It's just looking like it's there and not coming for me. I've been working this winter in Florida so long that it was cold out here, and it's like relearning how to do the process, because the temperature of the air and the humidity seems to have a vast difference in things. I kind of want to put a big spiral there, but I don't know if it's going to be too much or not. And in order to do that, I'm going to have to find something that I want to take a chance on less paint. Maybe yeah. Alright, I'm just going to do it I did it. For good or bad, I did it. Got some interesting colors in there. I actually like the funky shapes. I'm good with it. Not only that, I can make more funky shapes with my spatula. Just by tapping it over. And I can still paint with my spatula by just dipping it in and bringing it back. Just drag the colors and patterns right up and dip it right into my box of colors next to me too. And all that's not hurting my feelings a bit. I'm liking it and I think it's very close to being done, but I just see that, oh, slippery paint puddle. I see that I want add some of that darker green over there. That makes me a little happier. By the same token, maybe, just maybe, I want to use some of that beautiful green that's over here. See, the issue is once the background color is the background white that makes the paint flow and move, once that's gone, then it's another kind of painting. I'm thinking about moving indoors for the summer, but I recall that the reason I moved out here to begin with is because I have an occasional allergic reaction to Floetrol. It can be a little harsh if you do it a lot. And since I like to do it a few times a week, that can be a lot. I'm going to use the tip of that, make a really thin little line, a bunch of places, if I can drag the paint. Pretty happy with all of that, to tell you the truth. I don't really want to destroy anything beautiful over here, but I am compulsive, so there's no guarantee that I won't muff it up occasionally. And I'm pretty happy with all of that. It does make me want to add a few little things. Thorns. I want thorns. Go figure. Never did go back and put any gold in here. I think it's going to be sans gold, this one is. I'm not sure whether I need some more green gold in here or not. I'm almost done. Or it seems like I'm almost done. You can never tell with me. I lie about stuff like that all the time. I want that pink. Just used a tiny tip. I've got such neat colors over here. That red is just really outstanding. As long as the paint is deep enough to stick a skewer into, you can still paint and use it. Especially when it's the skinny end. Especially when the white paint is finally drying. I kind of want some purple over here. And I feel like there are so many dots here already that I ought to be willing to finish what I started. I may or may not be correct about that. But I've got a pretty good track record. Well, it's definitely some kind of garden scene, alright. And I had a very good time making it. Thank you for joining me, by the way. Thank you guys as always for the contributions that keep me painting, and please feel free to continue doing so if you would like to join the contest this month. There will be a choice of 2 or 3 paintings depending on whether it's before or after, 3 or 4 paintings depending on whether it's before or after February 28th. And if it's after February 28th, there will be another contest. And you should look on the end screens in the last 20 seconds of this video for things like my website and a place to subscribe, and the playlist for the other 450 plus videos, because it's there too. If you like what I do, I would ask you very politely and kindly to please give me a thumbs up, because it helps add my videos into a broader range of people looking at my work. Not that there aren't a lot of you, because there's over 48,000 of you. And that seems like quite a few to me, and thank you very much for subscribing, by the way. I'm seeing this over here, and I'm either going to spiral that around. Yeah. It needs its spirals. I got a minute left. No, I don't. I got 2 minutes left, and then you're going to be gone. So the Amazon link underneath the video will take you to where my OXO omelet turning spatulas are. I think they're both in the bucket right now. Maybe I got one. So buy the bigger one. It's better for spreading paint, but I like having 2, so don't stop yourself if you're inclined to have both sizes. Also the Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas are there, but if you need a link for something and you can't find it, please just ask me, because I'd be happy to give it to you. It's not a problem. And at your disposal, I do sell my artwork. If you're interested in buying something, please just ask, and I will give you an email and we'll have a discussion about it. Same thing for classes at the house. Just ask me and I'll give you an email and we'll figure it out. If you're in Florida on vacation, I've had quite a few people come down from Orlando, which is pretty nice of them, and they're missing Disneyland, but evidently they want to come see me, so I'm pretty well complimented by that, I gotta say. I know I have a crib sheet around here somewhere. I have a book called Because I Can. It's on the Amazon link below the video, and I like this odd shape here, but I don't know if I'm perfectly satisfied with it or not. I think I want a few more dots. Everywhere I can add them, which may be too many places, but que sera, sera. It's a dotty garden. It's how the flowers grow here. I tell you guys I love you guys all the time, and I do. Thank you. You keep my morale up when I need it. I love your comments. You're very appreciated. Never doubt that. You make my day, many days, much better. Let me see. Let me look at my sheet. I told you in the last 20 seconds to have a look. I'm going to wipe off my skewer. I do have some white paint still there. I think you're going to be gone. I asked for a thumbs up. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. Teespring is below the video. If you go to my Facebook pages, you will find not only my Facebook group, which is Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation. You may also see that I have merchandise with my artwork printed on it at Pixels or Fine Art America, and you can find that through Shop More. The button on Facebook is Shop More. So, I'll talk to you guys soon. I think I'm done for now. I say that, but you never know. You never know what you may come back to. Like that. Because I'm unrestrainable. Anyway, that was a lot of fun. Thank you for joining me. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Ooh, I got a couple edges still to touch up. And I'll see you in the next video if I'm lucky. And have a wonderful day, y'all. Bye for now. Priscilla out.